Are you worried about your projects accidentally being created so that everyone can see it? Public projects do enable everyone to see your source code and your tasks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop this from happening accidentally. Public projects got introduced as part of Azure DevOps to enable open source projects to harness the capabilities of Azure DevOps. This is generally not what companies want though. They may fear of their source code from being exposed. If you have a company who does want to have some projects public and some which they don't want to make public, I suggest creating a new organization, and that way you can have an organization for your public projects and another organization for your private projects, so it doesn't accidentally happen. Alternatively, you can create some scripts to generate your projects. That way you can make sure you don't accidentally make a project public. So first things first, I've got two projects here. They're both set to private. If we go to the organization settings and then click on the project, you can see visibility is private and private. So I'm going to change this test demo generator project to be public. So just go into the project and set it to be public. Save that. Now I'm going to go and take a copy of this URL, create a new guest window and paste in the URL. And there we can see I'm not signed in. This is a public project, and I can go and look at all the tickets. I can go and look at the source code as we saw before when I created this project in the demo generator project video. We can even see the build history and the release history. So right, we don't want that project public anymore. And we don't actually want any of our projects to be public, ever. So go to the organization settings, go to policies, then allow public projects, you set that to be off. And we will enforce this across the whole organization. So if we click on save now, and we go back to our organization projects, visibility has been set to enterprise, i.e. private, and that one's private. So now if we head back to our demo generator, we're still not signed in. Oh, and we can't access that project anymore. And additionally, if we head to Azure DevOps and create a new project, this option is disabled as well. So in this video, we saw how to disable a project from ever being created as a public. Plus, the benefit of when you enable that policy, it will switch all public projects to be private.